Is the NET exam a rat race or an overhyped system? Is the NET examination a highly competitive rat race, or has it become an overhyped system driven by greed and commercial interests? Has the intense competition created a monkey trap that pressures students and parents into spending enormous amounts of time, money, and effort? Who benefits the most from this system? Students, educational institutions, coaching centers, or others? Is NET truly the best way to select future doctors, or is there a need to rethink and reform the current medical entrance examination system in India? Whether NET is a rat race depends on perspective. It is fair to say it is highly competitive, but it would not be accurate to say it is much ado about nothing. Some observations. It is highly competitive. Millions of students compete for a limited number of MBBS seats each year. The stakes are very high. Becoming a doctor is a respected profession with long-term career opportunities. So many students invest years of preparation. The coaching industry is enormous. Some coaching institutes and businesses profit from the intense competition, which can create hype and fear. However, not every coaching institute operates this way. Social pressure can make it feel like a rat race. Families and society sometimes present medicine as the only prestigious career, even though many other careers can be equally fulfilling. Describing NET as a greedy monkey trap or saying it is driven by selfish people is an opinion rather than a verifiable fact. There are certainly individuals or organizations that may exploit students' fears for financial gain, but many teachers, doctors, and educational institutions genuinely aim to help students succeed. You have the answers for the following questions. Is NET a rat race or a path to success? Has NET become a rat race? NET, merit, pressure, and the coaching industry. NET, opportunity or rat race? Is India's medical entrance system helping students or hurting them?
Why do NET paper leaks happen in India? Why do NET examination paper leaks occur in India? When and where have such incidents taken place? Who is responsible for these crimes, and what motivates them? Who benefits from leaking examination papers? What laws exist to prevent and punish paper leaks? Are the current laws of the central government and the state governments strong enough, or do they have weaknesses? Is there a criminal nexus involving insiders, middlemen, coaching centers, candidates, or other individuals? Have those responsible been arrested, prosecuted, and punished, or though legal loopholes allow some offenders to escape accountability? What technological, legal, and administrative reforms are needed to make NET and other public examinations completely secure, transparent, and free from paper leaks?
Paper leaks in examinations such as NET are not caused by a single person or a single weakness. They usually occur because of a combination of greed, corruption, poor security, and organized criminal networks. Why do NET paper leaks happen? Huge competition. More than 20 lakh students compete for limited MBBS seats. Very high financial gain. Some candidates or parents are willing to pay lakhs or even crores of rupees. Insider involvement. Leaks often require access by someone involved in printing, transport, storage, examination centers, or administration. Organized crime. Middlemen create networks to obtain papers and sell them before the exam. Investigations in several cases have alleged multi-state networks. www.ndtv.com/ek. Who may be involved? Investigations in different cases have included allegations against middlemen and brokers, coaching center operators, in some cases, printing or logistics personnel, school or examination center staff, candidates and parents who knowingly purchase leaked papers. Occasionally, public servants or officials, if they abuse their position. Not every case involves all these people. The exact network depends on the investigation. What is the benefit for criminals? illegal profits running into lakhs or crores, admission to medical colleges through unfair means, creation of solver gangs and cheating rackets, corruption in the education system. Is there a law to punish this crime? Yes. India has strengthened its legal framework. Public Examinations, Prevention of Unfair Means, Act, 2024 specifically targets paper leaks, cheating, impersonation and organized examination fraud. Depending on the facts, accused persons may also be charged under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, BNS, which replaced most IPC provisions, the Prevention of Corruption Act, and Information Technology Act where applicable. National Testing Agency. Are the punishments strong? The 2024 law provides for imprisonment that can extend up to 10 years for organized examination crime. Heavy fines that may extend to 1 crore rupees. Recovery of investigation costs from organized crime groups. These are considered much stronger penalties than the earlier legal framework. National Testing Agency. Is there a nexus? Investigations in major cases have suggested alleged links between paper source middlemen solver gangs candidates money collectors. In some investigations, officials or employees with access to confidential material have also been accused. However, each person's guilt must be proved in court. www.ndtv.com/ek. Have people been punished? Yes. In recent NEET investigations, numerous accused have been arrested by state police and the CBI. Courts are hearing these cases, and some accused remain in judicial custody while trials continue. Press Information Bureau plus do. Are there loopholes? Experts commonly point to insider access to confidential papers, weak supervision at some stages, slow criminal trials, poor witness protection, corruption, variation in security standards across centers. What can be done? End-to-end encrypted digital paper delivery, strong biometric verification, AI-based monitoring, independent audits of exam processes, fast-track special courts for examination fraud, lifetime debarment of convicted candidates and officials, better protection for whistleblowers. A paper leak harms millions of honest students, reduces trust in the education system, and damages the country's merit-based selection process. India has strengthened its laws, but consistent enforcement, quick investigations, and speedy convictions are equally important to deter future crimes.
There is no verified evidence that any particular political party is solely responsible for paper leaks across India. Paper leaks have occurred under governments led by different political parties at both the central and state levels over many years. They are generally linked to criminal networks, corruption, security failures, and insider involvement rather than being attributable to one party alone. Digital Sansad +1. Regarding the number of paper leaks, independent analyses have documented dozens of exam paper leak incidents across India over the past 2 decades, involving recruitment exams, school exams, and entrance tests in multiple states. Many of these were state-level recruitment exams, while some involved national examinations such as AIPMT/NEET, UGC-NET, and others. India Paper Leak Analysis +1. States that have seen repeated cases over the years include Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Uttarakhand, among others. This reflects the large number of exams conducted there, not proof that one political party is uniquely responsible. India Paper Leak Analysis. Could foreign-funded groups be behind paper leaks? At present, there is no publicly available evidence proving that foreign governments, foreign-funded organizations, or regime change groups are behind NEET or other Indian examination paper leaks. The investigations conducted by agencies such as the CBI have so far focused on domestic criminal conspiracies, including alleged involvement of insiders, brokers, coaching-related intermediaries, and candidates. Press Information Bureau, +1. If, in any future case, investigators find evidence of foreign involvement, those responsible could face charges under applicable Indian criminal and national security laws. However, it would not be appropriate to conclude that foreign actors are involved without credible evidence. The best long-term solution is stronger exam security, rapid investigations, speedy trials under the Public Examinations Prevention of Unfair Means Act, 2024, and strict punishment of everyone involved, regardless of their political affiliation or position.